Here's how to waste more time and get a bunch of stuff not done than you can shake a stick at. Okay. I was being interviewed by Curtis Judd. He was interviewing me. Where did you start? How did you get started? How did you do this? Blah, blah, blah. And during the interview, he asked me a question. I think it started out with, okay, I have a question for you. Mac or PC? And I paused and I thought about it, and then I went on a rant for, hopefully he's cutting this down when he's doing this interview. I went on some rant for it seemed like for 3 hours. Here's my advice on how to save a billion hours. Okay, maybe hundreds of hours, maybe thousands, I don't know. Depends how much you do this. What camera should you use? You should use Canon or you suck. Well, if you don't use a Sony camera, you use those stupid Canon things, huh? If you don't use Nikon, you're a phone. You use an Android, that's stupid. You should use an iPhone, dude. You use Apple iPhone, what? Computers. Oh, you're using a Mac? I use Windows 10, and Windows 10 is the best thing ever. Why do you use a Mac? A Mac is stupid. It's a toy. Premiere Pro. Hit film. DaVinci Resolve. What's the matter with you? Vegas. You don't use Final Cut, and you don't use a Mac. So look, you're gonna waste more time playing this game than you could ever waste. Okay, hey, let's pull in a whiteboard. I wanna show you something. Whiteboard. Okay, we're gonna draw some lines here. Here is line in the middle. Line in the middle. Middle line. We'll call that middle line. Over here we have A, right over there. Over here we have B. A, B. Here is iPhone, Android, Mac, PC. It doesn't matter which side they're on. You can switch them all around. It doesn't matter. Resolve. That's an editor. Premiere Pro. Okay? Cool. BMW, Volkswagen, cats, dogs, and so on and so on. Okay, you may be here or 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 here. You're somewhere. Maybe you do this, maybe you don't. Most people do. When I go out and listen to people talk about this stuff, it just blows my mind. Okay, so iPhone. So I'm gonna come over here and argue with you about your Android, and you're gonna come over here and tell me why my iPhone sucks. I'm gonna tell you why the PC is the best, and I'm gonna tell you why Mac isn't, and we're gonna do all this, and we're gonna argue, and Resolve is better, and Premiere Pro is better, and a BMW is better, and VW is better, and cats is better, and dogs is better, and blah, 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 blah. Look, just stop. You know what's in the middle of this? Creating stuff. Here's what happens. So you have this person here, and here he is like this, and he's like, blah, 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 and on PC, Mac, and you should use this, and why you use this, and you should switch, blah, 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 and you should use PC, and you shouldn't use Final Cut Pro, and mine's best, blah, 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 and blah, blah. Point number one. The only thing that happens when this person argues with this person, here's his ideas, whoop, here's the other person's ideas, boop. When this person argues with this person, the only thing that happens is it makes these ideas firmer and harder, and he's just gonna argue more. So he's gonna argue back, and then this person's gonna argue more, and this person's gonna argue more. Look, if you are doing this, or you see someone doing this, just step out of the game, just stop. All this stuff up here, you could spend all your time creating, making films, making videos, watching cool tutorials, doing things, making more money, making courses, shooting a film, shooting your family vacation, taking this person out, maybe to a movie or something else instead of playing this game. This is where all the time is wasted, right here. So let me recap. Mac, PC, yes. Premiere Pro, I can't spell that. Resolve or Hit Film or Vegas or whatever you happen to use. Yes. iPhone or Android? Answer, yes. You get the point? You can either use whatever tools you have, but jingo! Or you can spend all your time arguing with people and wasting time and adding up all these minutes and hours and days and years and everything else, arguing about this and never getting anything done. So if you want to get stuff done and you want to save some time, quit arguing about who should use what. If you use a Mac, perfect. If you use a PC, perfect. If you use a phone, great. If you use an Android, awesome. If you use Premiere Pro, woohoo! If you use DaVinci Resolve, excellent. If you use Hit Film, oh, very well done. If you use Vegas, great. If you use iMovie, woohoo! Quit wasting your time arguing. Step away from the game, take what you have, and spend that time arguing with someone else on making something, okay? Okay, there you go. I hope that helps. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.